back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I've seen in the comments people are looking for part-time jobs, and you want something that's not customer service, so that is what I have for you today. But as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And please, if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. Now, Monica is a blogger that I have followed for years. She has grown her blog and her blogging business, and she now sells digital products for other bloggers. And when I received an email from her this morning saying that she was hiring part-time, I knew I needed to share it with you. So her small blogging company is hiring an administrative assistant. This is going to be part-time, remote for the United States. Now it does say you'll be a part-time contractor position starting out at about 10 hours a week, and it has the opportunity to grow into more hours and a payroll W-2 position. They are paying anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour depending on your experience. Start date is January the 8th of 2024, so right after New Year's. So they're accepting applications through December 20th, and then they'll be reaching out and doing interviews. Now, a lot of this is going to be responding to emails and doing that online email customer service for her products that she sells on her blog. So they're basically looking for somebody to manage those customer inboxes, checking them daily and responding to the inquiries, supporting all the customers by answering their questions and resolving their issues. You'll handle failed payments and reach out to students who have payments, recoup their payments, things like that. So you're going to be responding to all these inquiries on their website, chat box, or through email. Now, you will do other administrative activities like schedule posts on social media, but you won't have to actually create the post. You may have to draft a weekly digest email to send out or update product listings on their Shopify store. So all the little administrative tasks that they need done, but they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who is proactive in diving into knowledge and learning new things, someone who's a self-starter, someone who has great communication skills, who can be approachable and accept feedback, and someone who is detail-oriented. And they do want somebody who's very tech-savvy because they're going to have you work with tech things like Shopify, ThriveCart, ConvertKit, all those blogger tools that they use. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.